Good morning, everybody. Buenos dias from Puerto Rico. Andy Rozak here with you again. What a week. What a week. Started out in White Plains, New York last week, where we helped the New York State Head Start Association run their annual conference. We had about 260 child care and Head Start teachers from all over New York State in attendance, as well as some elected officials and even Tommy Sheridan from the National Head Start Association. Then we bopped on down to Orlando, Florida, and we conducted a full-day seminar for the Early Learning Coalition of Orange County. And what a great opportunity to meet everybody and to focus on emergency preparedness for an entire day as part of their business institute. Then a quick flight over to San Juan, Puerto Rico. We're here with the Region 2 Head Start Association this week, getting ready for the October conference. So we're going to be planning that, meeting with government officials in the governor's office, meeting with the local mayors, meeting with the child care and Head Start programs to try to get things all wrapped up for the October conference that'll be here in Puerto Rico. We'll have much more information about that coming up soon, including the call for speakers, the call for proposals, and some information on the early bird pricing. But boy, oh boy, just look at how beautiful the hotel is. We'll be back here at the Sonesta, used to be the Intercontinental, and it's just a beautiful day here in Puerto Rico. So we got much more information to come. We'll also be putting out a newsletter in the very near future, so stay tuned to that. But from San Juan, this is Andy Rozak saying, stay safe out there.